I'm still packing for Thailand. Something I'm donating, of course, some things I like to take with me, especially all clad, that's stainless steel made in United States, difficult to get maybe abroad, or more expensive. The same goes for large cast iron skillets, which are pretty amazing too. Anyhow, for the shipping company, I will show you in a moment, I choose Sevenseas Worldwide. This is what the boxes look like. So the company again name is Sevenseas Worldwide with a little smiling suitcase, pretty fun. As you can see, saying Thailand, Bangkok, 2 of 3, because I have 3 boxes, actually 2 boxes and 1 suitcase. You order boxes online, they will bring you to door with some packaging material, like some bubble wraps and scotch tape and marker. However, bubble wraps they brought me not enough, so I had to buy extra, but small thing. Here's the suitcase I was talking about. So I ordered 2 boxes, added my suitcase here, added address on it, where it's going, put some labels on it just in case. So here's a giant box. Maximum package weight 30 kilograms. However, this one box like 25.9 kilograms. I filled it right to the top. Interesting story. They arrange delivery of boxes. Of course, they were all folded in, wrapped in a plastic. I unpack it. But they arrange the drop-off of boxes around between 7 and 8 a.m. And I woke up exactly at 6:59 and I missed a call from a guy that actually arrived here at 7:00 a.m., which is right on time. But he couldn't get into the apartment, so he found some neighbors. He brought all the boxes upstairs. I live on the 3rd floor. It was very nice. I very appreciate it because he told me if I miss the delivery, I might get extra charge to get the second delivery on the next day or another day. Oh, by the way, they do service only on Monday and Wednesday, so they do pick up and drop off only on Mondays and Wednesdays. And now let's look at the screen. This is how web application looks like. After getting a job number, you will have 5 steps to complete. During first step, you must confirm your boxes and you will also have information about your charges. In my case, it was $363 for 2 standard boxes and 1 custom suitcase. I had to call and confirm with the customer support its dimensions. After you're done with this, click Save and proceed to the next step. Here, during the second phase, you just fill in the content of your boxes for the customer to verify it. So it's basic list of quantities, each item value, conditions and material, nothing complicated. After finishing filling it all, save and proceed to the next step. Third step is all about insurance. Just choose items you would like to insure, but keep in mind that insurance could be very costly. Very simple step to complete and it's not required. After you're done with that, proceed to the next step. Step number 4 is all about your personal information, such as a passport number, date of arrival at your destination, your nationality, your contact numbers, and so on. On the 5th step, it's all about your documents. You upload picture of your passport and then electronically sign those forms. After that's done, it will take you to the dashboard, and on the dashboard you could see your progress. And also you could see a progress of a Sevenseas company if they check your documents and everything looks correct. And here will be your job number and from origin and to destination. And that's pretty much it. Very basic, simple 5 steps. Hope this video helps you make a decision. Hello guys. So today I'm giving away boxes. The driver coming in, pick it up as promised, door to door. Here's my 3 boxes, 1 very large, 1 smaller, and actually 1 not box but suitcase. It's actually not really door to door. I live on the 3rd floor, so I have to bring them all the way down. The biggest one was 30 kilograms, was the difficult one. And these 2 are much smaller, so it was a bit easier. It was good physical therapy. So driver will come, pick it up from here, and hopefully I will meet them in Thailand after a few months. All of this This service, again, a little bit below than $400, like $380. I see you in Thailand with my boxes. So as you can see, I'm finally in Thailand and all boxes arrived to destination. And I'm pretty surprised, all the boxes are in a perfect shape. They look exactly how I packed them. Boxes, as you can see, arrived in a perfect shape. After traveling all this distance, they are not damaged at all. They additionally wrap into this blue scotch tape marked Thailand, and all original wrapping is still here. Look, this is additionally wrap a suitcase in extra box. So the suitcase inside this big box. But look, yeah, boxes are in perfect shape. And this is my another large box. Yeah, all boxes are just in perfect shape. Make sure to subscribe and follow along for more of my life experience journey. See you later.